Hello. Hello and welcome to this channel. Think Jace with that. If you are preparing for any government examination like UPSC, State PCS or SSC or CSI, then this channel is for you, because without knowing the basic concept, if you are dealing with the complex ones, then question will be more difficult to you, and you will be get failed in the examinations. So here is this channel. We are going to simplify the concepts like history, geography, polity, economics and current affairs, so that your preparation going to be easy. So let's start today's lecture. That is lecture number 6 here. In the previous lecture, we are already discussed about the what do you mean by federal government, unitary government and confederation. So in this lecture, we are going to discuss what do you mean by democracy, autocracy and monarchy. See, if you discuss, so without going to delay, we will start from democracy. See, I am going to again start with an example. Let's say this is a village. Okay, this village name is supposed to be ABC. Okay, this village, in this village, there are the villagers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Which are the villagers? These villagers have vote rights. Okay, that means the villagers, if they elect someone, then they have the voting rights. In case of democracy, I am going to give this example. There is a village named ABC. These villagers have voting rights in order to elect. One day, they decided to organize a cricket match. Okay. So, in order to elect the captain of the cricket team, they have the voting rights to decide the captain. So, they vote each and everyone and they decided a captain. So, the captain is decided by voting rights. Now, the captain has the role to decide the batting order, the bowling order, the fielding order. Okay, now the captain has decided or formulated the batting order, bowling order, and the fielding order. Okay, if let's say if the captain is performed very bad, then the villagers had the right to replace the captain and select new one. That means the captain is here is only be selected for a limited time or limited year. So this system is generally called what? This system is generally called as democracy. In democracy, in a nutshell, if you are summarized, then if the example is summarized here, there is a village named ABC. The villagers have the voting rights. They select the captain by voting. The captain is selected here. This captain has the rights to decide the bowling, decide the batting, decide the fielding. And if the captain performs bad in the matches, then villagers are right to replace the captain with the new one. That means the captain is here having some fixed limit. That means for 1 year, for 2 year, or for 5 year, accepted. This system is exist in the democratic system because here captain is elected by the voting rights. The first feature is captain is elected by the voting rights. If the captain is not perform well, then it will be replaced. When the captain is fixed a rule and law and order regulations of the team. That means the captain having some rules and regulations. So this feature is generally seen in the democracy. This is the democratic feature in a layman language. Okay. Let's see the autocracy system. Same example I am going to here. Autocracy system, let's say there is a village. Okay, there is some villagers. In the village, this person have some strong powers. Okay, this person have some strong powers. So in the cricket match, if the village is organized a cricket match, this person is going to be the captain because he is the strongest one. He have the power, he have the courage. So he will be the captain of the team. He decide who can bowl, who can bat, who can field, who can rest. Okay, so this person has to be decide who can bat, who can bowl, who can field, who can race. If he decide that this person is going to bat, that means this person is going to bat. There is no other law is applied here. If the villagers, let's say these villagers are opposed that this person is not going to bat, instead of this person, we are going to give bat to this person. So villagers' advice will not be heard. Will not be heard. Only the law of supreme, only the law of supreme is the strongest person. The strongest person. That means whatever this man is told is to be followed rigidly. There is no other things can be entertained, can be heard. So this system is known as the autocracy system. Okay. In this autocracy system, no one dare to oppose this person because he controlled the bat, ball, and even the ground. This system is generally seen in North Korea, where one person rules the whole country. No voting right, no freedom, not at all. Whatever this person told, this need to be understood, this need to be followed, this need to be heard, this need to be maintained. Okay. So this is the autocracy system. Let's say another, in case of monarchy, same example. Let's say this is the village. Okay. These are some villagers lived here. Okay. One of the villagers, this man is a royal, belongs to a royal family, and this person holds the ground. Okay. This person holds the cricket ground. So by convention, or we can say by law, if there is any cricket match is going to held, this man becomes the captain of the team by rule of law. That because this man holds the stadium, this man holds the ground. So by law, if there is any cricket is going to play here, this person becomes the captain. Okay, this person is belongs to royal family. This person has the cricket ground, so that if any cricket match is going to be held here, this person is going to be the captain. After this person, his son is going to be the captain. His son is going to be the captain. Whatever the son did, if the son has not, if the son had not any cricket knowledge, still he be the captain of the team. If there is a cricket match organized here, after this person death, his son become the captain of the team. So that we can analyze here this person. So this person is become the captain of the team. Then his son become the captain of the team. After the death of that, his son is the captain of the team. So that it is hereditary in nature. वंशानुक्रमिक. ओके, हेरेडिटरी इन नेचर. दैट मीन्स ये दो पद है कैप्टन का, बिकॉज वो रॉयल फैमिली का हिस्सा था, उसका क्रिकेट ग्राउंड था, तो वो कैप्टन बाय लॉ बन चुका था. ठीक है, उसके कैप्टन के बाद उसका लड़का कैप्टन बना. सो जिसका ग्राउंड है उसका रूल चलता है, तो उस लड़के के बाद उस लड़के का लड़का कैप्टन बनेगा. सो बाय कन्वेंशन इट इज हेरेडिटरी इन नेचर कि वो कैप्टन बनेगा. नाउ दिस कैप्टन हैज टू बी रूल्ड द बैटिंग ऑर्डर, bowling order, fielding order, rest order. So this captain have to be descended. So this is the monarchy system in which the position is transferred hereditarily. Okay, inheritarily. If the son has no cricketing knowledge, that does not matter. This position is generally transferred hereditary. Okay, so in this system, this is the monarch system. In the monarch system, one more system is existed here. In the monarch system, there is two types. One is another page. In the monarch system, see, in the monarch system, I am already discussed what I mean by monarch system. The position is get transferred completely, and this person have whatever to say. This person's law will be applicable in the ground, in the team. Okay, so if this person, ओके, अगर ये पर्सन का अपनी मनमानी चलेगा, ये जो बोलेगा वो करेंगे, ठीक है, उसको बोलते हैं हम एब्सोल्यूट मोनार्की. एब्सोल्यूट मोनार्की. If this person did whatever he is willing to do, then this is called as absolute monarchy. Okay. If this person is guided by, if this person is guided by some law made by council, then this is called constitutional monarchy. Constitutional monarchy. हमने देखा कि this cricket ground is holding by this person, so he became the captain of the royal family. This royal family person having this cricket ground, so that this position will be get transferred hereditarily. Now this cricket ground is his son's, and his son will be the captain. After that, this cricket ground will be his son, and his sons will be this captain. And if the son has no cricketing knowledge, that does not matter. The position is get transferred hereditarily. Okay. If his son did whatever he willing to did, then it is called absolute monarchy. वो अपनी मनमानी चलाएगा तो उसे absolute monarchy कहेंगे. अगर वो कुछ लॉ एंड ऑर्डर मान के चलेगा, गांव वाले जैसे लॉ एंड ऑर्डर बनाए हैं उसे मान के चलेगा, तो उसे हम बोलते हैं कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल मोनार्की. सो दिस थिंग्स आर क्लियर टू यू. दिस इज नोन बाय monarchy. So we are going to discuss, we are already discussed here about autocracy, democracy and monarchy. Now I'm going to slide so that you things are much more. See, in the democracy, see, here it is the definitions: democracy, autocracy and monarchy. Okay, in the democracy, it is a system of government where power is vested in the people who elect representatives to govern on their behalf. It is generally seen in India, USA, Japan. I am already discussed here because these villagers have some voting rights. They decided their captain. Now the captain set the fielding order, batting order, etc. If the captain perform worst, then the captain will be replaced. So this captain's power is derived from the people. That's why it is called as democracy, system of government where power is vested in the people who elect representative to govern in their behalf. This is the India, USA, Japan. Then in case of autocracy, it is a system of government where power is concentrated in the hands of the single ruler. Okay, in the autocracy, what it mean? Because I am already giving the example. That means this is a village. This village having a strong people. This strong people, this strong man is having the captain of the team. Now he decides the rules and regulations. This is become the autocracy. All others' opinions are not be entertained here. So autocracy means a system of government where power is concentrated in the hands of a single ruler who is not considering responsive to the public. This much example is seen in North Korea, Turkmenistan. Okay. Then will be monarchy. I am already discussed here. This village, this is a royal person. This is a royal family belongs to here. Whose cricket ground is this? So that this royal family's man is holding the power to be the captain of the team. This captain position will be get inherited generation after generation, and this system is known as the monarchy. Okay. Head of the state is a king or queen holding the position usually by heredity. It can be absolute, that means full power, or constitutional, power limited by law. अगर वो guiding principle को मान के चलेगा तो constitutionally monarchy, अगर वो अपने मनमानी चलेगा तो उसे absolute monarchy. Absolute monarchy is seen in Saudi Arabia, Brunei, but constitutional monarchy is seen in UK. UK is already constitutional monarchy seen. We can see if the difference is that if the discuss about the source of power, then it is come from the what? It is come from the people itself. Here is the autocracy, the source of power from the one ruler, that is who is the strongest man of the village. The monarchy, it is hereditary succession. Okay, change of leadership through regular election, because here the voting rights is here. Here there is no voting right. So if ruler is overthrown, if in case the villagers are very much angry and they overthrow the leader, then this is the only way to remove the ruler here. So only if the ruler is overthrown by the peoples, then it is the autocracy. Then monarchy by birth or abdication. Okay. Then lawmaking, it is by the elected legislature. Here the council is existed. It is by the ruler's will. Okay. Here if he अपने अगर वो one man चलेगा, it is absolute monarchy. अगर वो कुछ guided law and principle माने, तो it's constitutional monarchy. Depends on the types. Okay. Example, it is it is the rights of people is the protected by constitution, because people are the here supreme. Autocracy, the rights of people are not exercised because जो king है अपने मनमानी चलेगा. This is often restricted here. It is depends upon whether it is absolute or it is constitutional. Example, it is generally seen in India, USA, it is North Korea, it is generally seen in Saudi Arabia, absolute monarchy, and UK is constitutional monarchy. Accountability, here the captain is accountable to the team, so that leader accountable to the people. Here the captain is not accountable because he is the strongest man, that is he is not accountable. Here the varies, if he is accountable, if he is not accountable, this is depend upon him. Okay, so after that we are going to discuss what do you mean by direct democracy and what do you mean by indirect democracy. The types of democracy we are going to discuss, direct democracy or indirect democracy. Thank you so much. Thank you for listening.